2004 Astro. This rear-wheel drive midsize van manufactured by General Motors under the Chevrolet nameplate is called a minivan, but it is larger in size than most. The Astro has a truck-based design offering large cargo and passenger space, as well as powerful drivetrains, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, air conditioning, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.